dropping in like flies. Good to see. Oh, I'm in front of the camera. Right, he's got what there? Let's have a go at counting this lot. Oh, fucking plenty. Plenty, Bentley. Yeah, that's a bit better. Yeah, I know about the puddle, but at this stage I don't care. Now they just want to play. Oh, here's another one coming in. That's a newbie. He's doing twirly woo, that's good. Happy newbie in the basket. Yeah, these aren't going to come down, are they? So, there's another 9 or so there. And this little fucker here joining in. Do these twirls and woos. Good, good, good. So the drama would appear to be that as she is liberating at the waterworks at 2 miles, there's a fucking hawk running through them. So that's maybe why this lot have done 2 miles in 3 minutes. Right, more to follow. There's another new one coming in. They do look a little bit startled. Or are they just having fun? Oh, they're up there, sorry. They look like Margie's debatey shed. We've got another ton coming. Oh, she's panicking about it. We've got plenty. That's the original 6. And here's another dose of these fuckers. Oh, plenty of birds, dear. Plenty. Oh, I don't know what them jackdaws though.